Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In today's class we are going to start a new block, that is block 14. The lesson 1 is who is a hero. On your screen you can see a girl. She is a school girl and she fought for a cause. She brought some change in the society. Right? Now let's learn more.
Today,
So, we will learn about how real heroes are different from fictional heroes. Fictional means imaginary. Fictional means imaginary, they don't really exist. That which does not exist in real life. Okay, you please learn this. What is the meaning of fictional? Fictional means imaginary, that which does not exist in real life.
keyword,
Hero, someone admired for being brave and for other qualities. Contribution, something one does to bring about a positive change. Fictional, something that is not real. So now let us observe these pictures and know what they have done for us. The first picture is Mahatma Gandhi. He fought to free India from the British rule. Second picture, Doraemon is a cartoon character. He who helps his friends. The third picture is Greta Thunberg is a schoolgirl fighting against climate change. Next picture, here we have Batman is a character from comic books who protects the people of his city. Then next, Nelson Mandela fought for justice in South Africa. Next, Harry Potter is a character from books who uses his magical powers to fight evil. Right? Now, after looking at these pictures, now you decide who is the real hero, who created an impact on the society, who brought a change in our society in the real life. Right? Now, let us watch this video.
There are real and fictional heroes around us. Real heroes are those who have made a difference in real life. Some heroes have made a difference, but only in comic books, films, and stories. They are fictional.
okay,
How are these heroes similar and how are they different?
let's sum.
All these heroes have made a difference to society. However, they are different because not all of them are real life heroes. Spider-Man, Doraemon, Harry Potter, we know them as heroes. They did something great. But is it in the real life? Did they do it in the real life? We have Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Greta Thunberg. They fought for a good cause, that too in real life. They brought a positive change in the society.
Part
What qualities do real life heroes have that make them different from fictional heroes?
let's
Real life heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Greta Thunberg, and Nelson Mandela fight for issues. Okay, they fought for issues that affect us every day. Their contributions have made a difference in our lives. Let's read once again. Real life heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Greta Thunberg, and Nelson Mandela, they fought for issues that affect us every day. Okay, because of Mahatma Gandhi, India got freedom from the British and we are enjoying the freedom. Because of Greta Thunberg, like every Friday she used to bring a small rally in order to the government to bring some things into the consideration of the government, okay, regarding the environment and climate. Nelson Mandela, he fought against the racial discrimination when the blacks were treated very badly. He struggled to make their lives better. So these are the real life heroes, right? Characters in books, movies, and TV shows can be heroes, but they cannot impact our society like real life heroes do, because they are not real. See, we see some heroes in the films, serials, movies, cartoons. Yes, they are heroes, they do something great, but are they able to create some change in our society? No, because they are imaginary and fictional.
Pop.
What will you do to be a hero? Now it is time for you. Okay, you decide. In order to become a real hero, what can you do?
Let's sum.
We can do different things to be a hero. We can teach children on the streets or visit an old age home. Yes, if there are any children in your neighborhood, okay, who need your help in studies, you can teach them. This is one way of helping them in their studies, right? Or you can visit an old age home and give company to the old people, talk to them, right? This we can do.
Okay.
Now open your worksheet. Put today's date. Who is a hero? Question 1. Which one is a quality of a real hero? Tick the correct option. 3 options are given. Being brave. A. Being brave. B. Physically strong. C. Being good looking. Okay. Being brave is the quality of a real hero. Okay. It doesn't matter whether you are physically strong or good looking. What is important is that, are you able to bring some change in the society? Are you contributing anything to the society? Next, in this picture you can see a soldier as well as the Spider-Man here. Now you decide who is the real hero in this picture. The soldier who fights for our country, protects our country from the enemies, and is ready to help in any day or night, any part of the day or night, or the Spider-Man who is only known in the comics, right? So you write at least 3 points here about who is the real hero in this picture and why you think he is real, he or she is real. Okay, now third question, how can you make a difference to society? Explain with one example. So how can you help the people in the society? How can you bring a change in the society? You have to write. You decide whether you are going to teach some children or you are going to help some poor people or any type of change. Okay, remember Greta Thunberg was also a school girl. Okay, though she was in school doing her studies, still she brought a change in the society. She is known all over the world because she was fighting for the climate change. Okay, she was fighting for the environment, how people are polluting the air, water, uh, and everything. So she demanded the government to bring some change, right? So if Greta Thunberg can do, you too can do. So think about it and you write this answer, how you can make a difference to the society, right? You can give one example. Now move to the content book, children.
Okay.
First question, which of these describes a real life hero? Okay, tick the correct options. Okay, who is a real life hero? They exist in comic books? No. They can make a difference to our life? Yes. So tick B. They exist in movies? No. They are real people. So B and D you can tick. Second question, who is your real life hero? What qualities that the person has? Okay, in your life, who is your real life hero? And what qualities does the person have? You should write at least 4 sentences, okay, in your social notebook. That should be your own answer. First of all, you write the name of the your real life hero and why you think he is great and what change did he bring in the society. Okay. Now third question, Kyra, a 17-year-old girl, saved some people when they were caught in a fire. Okay. Kyra was only 17-year-old girl, but when some people were caught in a fire, she saved them. Okay, she saved their lives. Does that make Kyra a real life hero? Yes or no? Give 2 reasons for your answer. Yes, Kyra is a real life hero because she saved some people's lives. She risked her life, and though there was a fire, she entered it and she helped all these people. She brought back their lives. We can say that. She saved their lives. So, Kyra is a real life hero, right? And that's all for now, students. Thank you. Have a good day. Do read the lesson, underline new words, and complete your work.